Welcome to the certificate course on accessibility standards on the Swayam platform, developed by CBR Network in cooperation with AICTE. Understanding the objectives of this course, the course helps to understand barrier-free environment and norms and standards in inclusive design. This course introduces some of the fundamental principles of accessibility and prepares learners for further study in accessibility and inclusive design. Learners will have an opportunity to explore the major types of disabilities and related assistive technology and adaptive strategies, the most salient contours of the legal landscapes, and the major principles that guide universal design and accessible content creation. Spotlight guest videos will highlight first hand perspectives on disability as well as topics like disability equity, universal design and universal design for learning, accommodation in higher education, campus accessibility policy, and accessibility under Sugamya Bharat Abhiyana under the three vehicles of infrastructure, communication, and transportation. Understanding the duration and eligibility criteria for this course. The course is for a duration of 24 weeks. The medium of instruction is online, blended for skill development. The eligibility for this course is graduates and those who have completed 18 years of age at the time of admission. Focus areas addressed in the course are basics of inclusive design, disability awareness and support, smart cities, management of smart urban infrastructures, ethics in accessible design planning, accessibility and culture, accessibility in rural areas, information technology, reasonable accommodations, bylaws and accessibility standards. Understanding the outcomes of the various units of this course. The Unit 1 is Understanding Disability and Assistive Technology. This unit will give you a basic understanding of some of the major disability types, that is visual, hearing, motor and cognitive, their main functional challenges and some of the related assistive technologies, global and national policies and legislations related to disability and accessibility. You will also get valuable first-hand perspectives on disability and assistive technology from various people with different disabilities, including a spirited panel discussion on disability equity from a team of disability experts. The Unit 2 is the legal landscape and the workplace. In this module, you will develop a basic understanding of some of the key legislation that impacts accessibility. From the workplace perspective, you will have an opportunity to explore some insightful first-hand occupation-specific perspectives from a web developer, a media specialist, an instructional designer, and a computer science instructor. Finally, you will get an insider's view on accommodation from a team of accommodation specialists who handle document conversion, captioning, audio description, accessible document design, and testing accommodations. Unit 3 is Universal Design. This module will give you a basic understanding of the 7 principles of universal design and the roots of universal design in architecture. You will learn how universal design can be applied in a learning context through Universal Design for Learning, that is UDL, and its inclusive design practices. Video interviews with recognized experts in the field will highlight insightful IT perspectives on universal design along with higher ed perspectives on universal design for learning. Unit 4 is ICT and accessible design materials. This module will give you an introduction to some of the major accessibility considerations that apply to common digital formats like HTML, MS Word, PDF, and PowerPoint. You will also learn some of the key accessibility considerations for multimedia, including areas like captioning and complex images. Helpful demos and hands-on activities will give a clearer idea of how you can make your digital content more accessible. There are 3 practicums associated with the course. Practicum 1 is Audit of Buildings. Practicum 2 is Audit of Accessible Communication. Practicum 3 is Audit of Accessible Transportation. About the examination, the final online examination shall be conducted and students who have completed the submission of project reports can take the final exam. We thank you for your interest towards the certificate course on accessibility standard. If you are interested to join, please contact us at the following: Dr. Indumati Rao of CBR Network. You can reach us on email at ideasianetwork2013 @gmail.com. I will repeat, the email ID is ideasianetwork2013 @gmail.com. We thank you.